Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 31. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. There's a serial number NE189538357. Let's get on with the break. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully I can pull something nice out of this pack. So you got a hit for the Whalers, which goes to the Hurricanes of Brendan Shanahan. Number 66 at a $3.99. Rookie for the Islanders of Anders Nilsson. Number 79 at a $3.99. Decoy. Hit for the Red Wings. It's an autographed Ultimate Rookies of Brendan Smith. Number 124 at a $2.99. Last card. We have an Ultimate Debut Threads autographed jersey for the Ottawa Senators of Patrick Weirkoch. Number 19 at a $50. A nice hit for Ottawa. So thank you very much again for everybody for watching. Hope to see you again next time.